welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Marc Jacobs Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayon. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. It comes in his simple packaging. It just says Marc Jacobs Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayon. It's black and it's white, and then up here you do have the shade name. The shade 300 Send Nudes. This is what the lip pencil does look like. This is the shade number 300 Send Nudes. This is a nude shade for me, and I really do love this shade. I really do like the formula as well. Not only that I do like the formula, but this is definitely retractable. So you can twist it up and you get a lot more product that does come out, or you can twist it down and that will save you a lot of product as well. The next shade is called 310 Night Mauves. I did swatch this in my Sephora favorites Give Me Some New lip set, and I didn't really like this shade. So I'm going to try it on for you guys. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. I don't really like this shade, but I do love the formula on these so far. The shade we're going to be swatching is the shade Burn Notice. Here's what the shade Burn Notice does look like. It's that beautiful brown shade. I love the shade Burn Notice. It is a creamy texture. The formula is great, and I love this shade. It does complement my skin complexion. Next shade is called How Rouge, and this is a red shade. These lipsticks are very creamy and delicate, so mine just broke. As you guys can see at the top, the tip is broken completely, but we will definitely make this shade work on my lips. This is a vibrant red shade. I thought it would be like a deep burgundy red shade. The next shade is called Fram-bois, and this is a raspberry shade. This is what the shade Fram-bois does look like. Not only that this formula is very creamy, but it is very pigmented as well. The next shade is called Plum and Get It, and this is a plum shade. Of this color. The last shade is called Merlot Blow, a deep burgundy shade. This shade is stunning. I love this deep burgundy shade. I love the plum shade. The raspberry shade I didn't really like. This red shade, like a bright red shade, I did not like at all. The brown shade I adored. This mauvey night, I don't know what this was supposed to be, this mauve shade was not cute on me. It did not look good on my skin complexion at all. But this brown shade, this nude shade, Send Nudes, this is a gorgeous shade. And I definitely think this shade would suit all skin complexions. The Marc Jacobs Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayon does retail for $26 each. I like the formula. It is very creamy, it is very pigmented, but I don't like how they do break easily. Like this bright red shade, it really broke off. If the formula wasn't as soft, it wouldn't break as easily, but they still work in my opinion, and I would definitely recommend this collection. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.